Third, the world's first programmer. Answer: Lady Ada Augusta. Next question: computers that are portable and convenient for traveling users. Answer: laptop. Next question: what type of software is most likely to be used to keep track of the billing account? Answer: spreadsheet. Next question: all the terms below are related to spreadsheet software except answer: virus detection. Next question: dash is an example of an input device. Answer: keyboard and mouse. Next question: is it is ensured that all the parts of the computer are working properly and are installed in the system. Answer: by booting. Next question: how to break in Word? Answer: by placing the cursor at the appropriate place and press Ctrl plus Enter key. Next question: dash printer slash file line is used. Answer: to advance the printer online. Question: when the pointer is positioned on dash, then its shape becomes like a hand. Answer: hyperlink. Next question: dash are the device used to transmit data over telecommunication line. Answer: modem. Next question: dash will be used in next generation computer. Answer: AI. Next question: convert information into informations by computer process. Answer: data. Next question: what can you do to remove a paragraph from a report you have written? Answer: cut and paste. Next question: text and graphics after cut or copy are stored in an area called answer: clipboard. Next question: the process of simulation processing of two or more programs is called multiprocessing. Next question: a website address is a unique name that identifies a specific on the web. Answer: website. Question: how can the user determine which programs are available on the computer? Answer: viewing the list of installed programs. Next question: what do you contain of the active cell show? Answer: formula bar. Next question: the communication network which is used by large organization in the regional, national and global area is called answer: WAN. Next question: dash are approximately 1 billion bytes. Answer: gigabyte. Next question: to find and load the saved file. Answer: select open command. Next question: what is the actual PC used for home and personal uses? Answer: microcomputer. Next question: the keys available on the keyboard from F1 to F12 are known as dash keys. Answer: function keys. Question: the date and time on the desktop are on answer: taskbar. Next question: which process checks to make sure the computer's components are working properly and connected? Answer: booting. Next question: MS Word is an example of answer: application software. Next question: NICNET is a answer: network connecting each district of India. Next question: dash contains commands that can be selected. Answer: menu. Next question: if you type a word which is not in word dictionary, then a dash underline appears under that word. Answer: red underline. Next question: group word is a answer: software. Next question: the dictionary which is inside a dictionary is called answer: subdictionary.